Now, we've got commitments here. So in this case, this is a combination. So Acumatica has the ability not only purchase orders, materials, things that you need, but also subcontract management, right? So I know other systems out there do that very well too, and we can do that here with Acumatica as well. In this case, for example, I pull up the subcontractor for Cornerstone Concrete. I'm able to see what that subcontract is. It's related to this particular project and this particular record. And we have the same type of information here to be able to say, what is the items that they're working on, the cost associated to them. And then, obviously, if there's any taxes, here we have the vendor information, discounts, billing that we would do. So in this case, this is a bill that they sent us, any prepayments we may have made to them. And of course, I'll get into this with the project management, but change orders associated to it. So you can manage it on a subcontract level.